Hello and welcome to Ranganatha Tutorials, a short and sweet current affair updates daily. So we are in the start of the new month, which is September. So we shall look into the points on 01/09/2021. The first point goes likewise. So Sri Lanka declares food emergency. So recently Sri Lanka declared the food emergency. Why this particular instance is being generated, we can have a look into these points. Sri Lanka is suffering from a hard-hitting economic crisis. So because of the COVID-19 pandemic and because of the various other reasons, Sri Lanka has hard-hitting economic crisis. Economics has been very, very low, and because of this, the President Gotabaya Rajapaksa ordered an emergency regulation to counter the hoarding of sugar, rice and other such essential food items. President also named top army officer as a Commissioner General of Essential Service to coordinate the supply of paddy, rice, sugar and other consumer goods. Because of all these reforms, what happened is the prices of all these commodities, for example, rice, sugar and all other potatoes, onions moved to a higher end. So there was a subsequent price rise, which was supplemented by the long queues outside the stores because of the shortage of milk, powder, cooking gas and kerosene oil. So all those stuffs has been generated. So because of this, government also increased the penalties for the food hoarding. So because of all these reforms, because of all these developments, what we witnessed is a severe impact which was pretty much greater than the coronavirus impact also. So the greater than the coronavirus, it claims that more than 200 lives has been taken every day because of the food crisis in the Sri Lanka. So that is why, because of all these reasons, there is a food emergency which is being declared in the Sri Lanka. So let us update few of the static points when concerned with the Sri Lanka. Its capital is Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte. Sri Jayawardhanapura Kotte is the capital of Sri Lanka, and its currency is in rupee. The PM is Mahinda Rajapaksa and the president is Gotabaya Rajapaksa. So both are Rajapaksa, don't get confused. PM is Mahinda Rajapaksa and the president is Gotabaya Rajapaksa. Okay, so let us move on to the next point. So 8th meeting of agriculture experts of the BIMSTEC countries held. So it is the 8th regular meeting of agriculture experts of the BIMSTEC countries. So we shall update our knowledge regarding the BIMSTEC. So BIMSTEC is nothing but what? Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. So please do remember this expansion also, which is important, which is known as Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. So what are the member countries of this organization, BIMSTEC? So just look into the Bay of Bengal. Whatever the countries which surrounds the Bay of Bengal are the member states of this BIMSTEC. So for example, it might be India. Okay, it might be India, it might be Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, and even the Nepal and Bhutan. So all these countries will come under the initiative of BIMSTEC, and this particular BIMSTEC was founded in 1997. Okay, let us move on to the next point. According to UNEP, what is UNEP? United Nations Environment Program. So according to this, the use of leaded petrol has been eradicated from the globe itself. So recently a report has been released from UNEP which says there is total eradication of leaded petrol in overall globe. Let us update few of the points when concerned with the UNEP, which is United Nations Environment Program. Its particular headquarters is in Nairobi, which is in Kenya again, which was founded in 5th June 1972, and present head is Inger Andresen. So that's all for today, and have a good day.